We're looking at a rear differential and pump drive housing assembly for an 8000 series John Deere tractor. Full list of models used on will be found in the video description. We can sell these combined as an assembly like you see here, which would have the differential, the pump drive, the PTO clutch, and all the things you need in order just to bolt it right up. We also can sell these components individually. We do have a 1-year warranty on all hard parts inside the assembly, excluding bearing seals, clutch discs, etc. We have these on the shelf, ready to help you out when you need it. If you'd like any more information or if you have questions, feel free to give us a call or visit our website at www.boothilltractorparts.com.